Welcome to Stanley Bryan Buick GMC. We make it easy. Here's the vehicle for you.
Presenting the 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Why worry about high mileage? Choosing a ride with lower mileage is the right choice for your busy life. With a reliable engine connected to a smooth shifting transmission.
And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry,
Power door locks, power windows, cruise control, power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: low tire pressure warning. Call today to schedule a test drive.
Visit Stanley Bryan Buick GMC today. We're conveniently located at Highway 77 and 44 in Robstown, Texas.